Switzerland, a landlocked nation nestled in the heart of Europe, is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes. This small yet diverse country offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness that captivates the hearts of all who visit. Imagine soaring high above the Swiss Alps, where majestic peaks pierce the heavens. The sheer scale and grandeur of these mountains are enough to leave anyone in awe. Our journey begins with an aerial view of Lauterbrunnen Valley, a place where nature's artistry takes center stage. This valley, often referred to as the Valley of 72 Waterfalls, is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Waterfalls cascade from towering cliffs, their silver ribbons shimmering under the sun. Each waterfall has its own unique charm, creating a symphony of sights and sounds that soothe the soul. We then glide over the Maloja Pass, a winding ribbon of road carved into the mountainside. This pass is not just a route but a journey through time, offering glimpses of Switzerland's rich history and culture. The road snakes its way through alpine meadows and past crystal-clear lakes, a testament to human ingenuity and the allure of these breathtaking heights. The meadows, dotted with wildflowers, are a vibrant contrast to the rugged mountains. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. It's a refreshing reminder of the purity and tranquility that can still be found in the world. As we ascend higher, the world below shrinks, revealing the true scale of the Swiss Alps. The mountains stretch as far as the eye can see, a seemingly endless expanse of natural beauty. Rocky peaks, their summits dusted with snow even in the summer months, stand as silent guardians. These peaks have witnessed the passage of time and the ever-changing seasons, standing tall and proud through it all. The play of light and shadow across the valleys creates a captivating tapestry of colors. As the sun moves across the sky, the landscape transforms, offering a new perspective with each passing moment. It's a sight that evokes a sense of awe and wonder, a reminder of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. The Alps are not just mountains, they are a testament to the Earth's incredible geological history. From this vantage point, we gain a new appreciation for Switzerland's nickname, the Top of Europe. This title is well deserved, as the country's highest peaks offer some of the most stunning views in the world. The Alps, formed over millions of years by the collision of tectonic plates, dominate the landscape. This geological process has created a mountain range that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. They are a source of national pride and a constant reminder of the country's close relationship with nature. The Swiss people have a deep respect for their natural surroundings, and this is evident in their efforts to preserve and protect the environment. The aerial perspective allows us to fully grasp the immensity and grandeur of this mountain range, a true masterpiece of geological artistry. Each peak, valley and glacier tells a story of the Earth's dynamic history. As we continue our flight, we are treated to a constantly changing panorama of alpine splendor. The landscape is ever evolving, with each season bringing its own unique beauty. Each turn reveals a new vista, each more breathtaking than the last. From lush green meadows in the spring to snow-covered peaks in the winter, the Swiss Alps are a year-round spectacle. The Swiss Alps, a symphony of rock, ice and sky, leave an unforgettable impression on all who are fortunate enough to witness their majesty. This is a place where nature's grandeur is on full display, a reminder of the beauty and power of the natural world. Our journey now takes us to the serene shores of Lucerne, a place where the hustle and bustle of everyday life feels like a distant memory. Here, in this secluded corner of Switzerland, nature reigns supreme, offering a sanctuary for those seeking peace and quiet. Lucerne is a pristine alpine lake nestled in the heart of the Rattiken mountain range. Surrounded by towering peaks and verdant forests, it is a haven for wildlife and a paradise for nature lovers. The mountains stand like ancient guardians, their rugged faces softened by the lush greenery that carpets their lower slopes. Lucerne exudes an aura of tranquility and peace. Its crystal-clear waters reflect the azure sky like a giant mirror, creating a scene of unparalleled beauty. Here, time seems to slow down as nature's rhythms take over. The air is still and silent, broken only by the gentle lapping of water against the shore. Take a deep breath and feel the stress melt away as you immerse yourself in the serenity of this alpine paradise. Wildflowers dot the meadows, Their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the rugged landscape. The gentle clanging of cowbells echoes through the valleys, a reminder of the pastoral traditions that have shaped this region for centuries. The meadows are a riot of color in the spring and summer months, with wildflowers blooming in every hue imaginable. The sight of these delicate blossoms swaying in the breeze is a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. The cowbells, with their soft melodic tones, add a layer of charm to the already picturesque setting. They are a symbol of the region's agricultural heritage, a tradition that has been passed down through generations. As the seasons change, so too does the landscape of Lucerne. Winter transforms the region into a magical wonderland, blanketing the mountains in a thick layer of snow. The once green and vibrant meadows are now a pristine white, and the lake itself takes on a serene, almost mystical quality. The air is crisp and cold, and the landscape is silent, save for the occasional crunch of snow underfoot. We embark on a train journey near Bernina Pass, the highest railway crossing in the Alps. This journey is not just a means of transportation, but an experience in itself. The train winds its way through snow-covered forests, offering breathtaking views of the frozen landscape. Each turn reveals a new vista, more stunning than the last. The snow-covered forests are a sight to behold, with trees standing tall and proud, their branches heavy with snow. The landscape is a study in contrasts, with the dark green of the pine trees standing out against the white of the snow. The train moves steadily onward, its rhythmic chugging providing a soothing soundtrack to this winter wonderland. Icicles hang from the trees like crystal chandeliers, catching the light and sparkling like diamonds. The air is filled with a million tiny snowflakes, each one unique and beautiful in its own way. The scene is almost otherworldly, a reminder of the magic that winter can bring. The rhythmic chugging of the train provides a soothing soundtrack to this winter wonderland. The warmth of the carriage contrasts sharply with the icy scenery outside, creating a sense of cozy contentment. As we gaze out the window, we are reminded of the power of nature to both awe and inspire. The winter landscape, though harsh and unforgiving, possesses a stark beauty that is both captivating and humbling. Inside the train, passengers are wrapped in warm blankets, sipping hot cocoa and sharing stories. The atmosphere is one of camaraderie and shared wonder, as everyone marvels at the beauty of the landscape outside. The train ride is a journey through a winter fairy tale, where every moment is filled with wonder and awe. Our journey through Switzerland's diverse landscapes continues, each destination offering a unique glimpse into the country's natural splendor. From the serene shores of Lucerne to the snow-covered peaks of Bernina Pass, Switzerland never ceases to amaze with its beauty and diversity. Each region has its own charm, its own story to tell, and together they create a tapestry of experiences that is truly unforgettable. Switzerland never ceases to amaze with its beauty and diversity. Whether it's the tranquil waters of Lucerne or the majestic peaks of Bernina Pass, each location offers a unique perspective on the natural world. As we continue our journey, we are reminded of the importance of preserving these pristine landscapes for future generations to enjoy. The beauty of Switzerland is a treasure that must be cherished and protected.